Hey everybody. No one was injured in the painting of this background. Because if you saw the white paper around it, which you might be able to see a little there, I got messy making sure my background was red. Okay, so I got my silver mixed. Did add 2 drops of Spot On Treadmill silicone to that and mixed it in. I'm using this cup because I'm going to do a tree ring for her. We'll see if I travel it or not. Kind of depends how it goes. But I did put my WD-40 in here to help release the paint. So on the red background, I wanted to do titanium white. This is Creative Inspirations titanium white that I'm using. I'm using lamp black, also by Creative Inspirations. And then that silver that I just mixed. I was going to do a flip and drag and blow it out, but I've been doing a lot of those lately, so I think I want to try a tree ring and let it set. I do not have the paint I need to do the cloud effect, but here's to hoping that maybe, just maybe it'll work. So I'm actually going to take my caps off. I'm over to the side. I know you probably can't see that. Take my caps off so I can pour my paint down the side of this cup. And hopefully we'll get a nice black, white, silver layering. I might do some of it here for you. So I'm just going down the side, right? Like that. Seems to be a little thick. Black, white, and now some silver. This is a Master's Touch 12 by 12 inch classic canvas. I'm just going to put a little bit of black because I put a lot in there. So now I'm going to go little, and then I hope you can see this. Just going to do one more because it's smaller canvas. I don't think I'm going to need all this paint. Not to say I couldn't use it on another canvas, which I could. But again, just going down the side. Silver. Okay, so let me just wipe off my bottles, which are now a bit of a mess. And put the lids on them, get them out of the way. I thought it would be cool to do a red background. I've not done a red background with acrylic paints before, and I thought, you know what? I think that would be really cool. So I hope I'm right. I know I've seen it done before. I do not know who has done it in the past. I'm sure a lot of people actually. I have not done it yet, so it's new for me. Just getting these paints out of my way. I was getting some paintings ready today and I was drumming and all sorts of stuff, so it's kind of messy over here. Let me see what you can see. Okay, good. So I'm going to do this the best I can, so I know it's probably going to be hard for you to view it, but hopefully you can. And again, it might be a half straight pour, half tree ring. I'm not real good at the tree ring part. No matter how much I try, my hands don't seem to want to do it. I'm just not very steady. Wow, that's a lot of silver. Here comes the white. And I do want, you know, I really don't want to take this off the sides, so I might interrupt this and do two out of it, because see, now I basically got black in the bottom of that, which is fine. I just don't want to stretch it too much because I want the background of the red to show. All right, let me let that sit and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So it's been about 7 minutes. I just wanted that to sit for a minute before I stretched it. The silver is the only thing that does have silicone in, like I said. I did torch it once, torch it real quick another time. And we're gonna move it around, but I'd like to keep some of the background here. So I didn't go through putting all this red on for me to dump it off. So let's just stretch it out, see what we get. I'm trying to go kind of slow, so I'm sorry if it's painful to watch. It's pretty neat cells coming up in there. Trying my best not to, well, it did go over the edge, but it's alright. It's okay. As long as I get some of that red. I'm trying to take it back to the middle and just take it down here a bit. Reminds me of I don't know who did it. Somebody did one. They took it off like an X. It looked pretty cool, so I might do that. Take it off down here and then bring it back. Alright, and of course I have no, sorry, I'll just take my gloves off. No towels, but I did see a couple little air bubbles, so I'm going to try and get out here. Honestly, I'm going to leave it go like this and see how the edges come out, and then I might use my airbrush and then just wisp them out a little bit. So we'll be right back. Hey y'all, so here is the view of it from my angle, the side that I poured from. I feel like I don't want to blow it out because I like the natural cells that are happening in the corners. They're really tiny right now, but there's these nice bigger ones here. So this is the bottom left corner. I'm just going to take you up here. This is the left side. See how those nice cells are happening kind of like on the sides. There's lots of cells in this middle, but I kind of like that. I'm afraid Let me put it this way. I am afraid that if I airbrush it out, it will ruin the smoothness that I currently have, which I like. Just need somebody else to like it, right? I think it's cool though. So I'm going to leave it like that. Please leave your comments below, because I'll do another one of these with different colors, and let me know if you think I should have airbrushed this out or not. I do think some of these cells are going to keep lacing, hopefully, like these on this end specifically. Trying to get that in focus. There we go. Otherwise, yeah, pretty happy with it. So, let me know what you think in the comments below, please. And I will catch you all on the next video. Have a good one.